demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our brand new fryers. Now this is going to be a 70-pound propane gas fryer. Okay, brand on this fryer is our own company brand, Cooler Depot. As you can see on the very front, we have our brand. Now before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and measure this unit out for you, starting with the length. You're looking at a total of 21 inches for the length. Okay, height on the wheels, you're looking at a total of 5 inches of the height on the wheels. Okay, the wheels are provided, installed for this fryer. As well, you have breakers for those wheels as well. Okay, now front to back measurement, you're looking at a total of 30 inches from front to back. And the overall height for this fryer, you're looking at a total of 45 inches from the bottom wheels to the very top. Okay, so those are your measurements for this 70-pound fryer. Also, on the back, we have our connection for the gas. Okay, so that's located on the back of this unit. Now back to the front, I want to go ahead and measure these baskets as well. Length will be 9 inches. Front to back, 13 inches. And the bottom to the top will be 6 inches. Okay, so that's measurement for these baskets. Baskets will be provided with the fryer. You have 2 baskets for this fryer. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and open up the inside for you, show you the inside. Starting with the inside door here, you have a plaque that shows details regarding this fryer, starting with your model. You can also locate the gas type. As we mentioned, this is for propane gas. Also, your BTUs are located on the inside. You're looking at 150,000 BTUs per hour on this unit. You can also locate certifications on the inside for this fryer. Also on the inside, we have our burners. You have a total of 5 burners for this fryer. Also, we have our oil drain on the very front. And lastly, we have our temperature control on the very bottom on the inside for this fryer. Okay, so all that is located on the inside on this fryer. As I mentioned, this is a 70-pound propane gas fryer, Cooler Depot brand. Now, if you're interested in one of these items, you can go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact fryer. Now, if you have any other questions, you can also give us a call, and we'll help you guys out with those questions. Thank you for watching.